So you want to be a content creator, but you shoot with your phone, but you intend to buy a full frame camera sometime in the future. So when you invest into a wireless microphone system, you want something that's going to be versatile enough to last for a while. You want something that's going to be able to be used with your phone now and with your camera later. Let me introduce to you the Boya Boyalink. This is designed to fit all devices. On the box, we can see it comes with an audio adapter and adapters for your phone, whether it be Lightning or USB-C. The Boya Boyalink. Let's get this out of the box and check it out. If this is your first time here to my channel, welcome. My name is Rich, and when I unbox products, I typically like to do it in real time, so you get the same exact experience when you get this at home that I do out here in this park. So what do we see when we first take the Boyalink out of the box? We have another box, and this is going to have our accessories in it. And here we can see that we have our case, and I believe it's a charging case. Yes, it's got a little LED here on the front, so we can see that this is a nice charging case actually that has our receiver, our two microphone transmitters, and adapters. So right now we've got the adapter on here for the camera, and we've also got one here, they're held on magnetically, for a USB-C phone, as well as a Lightning port phone, as well as two wind muffs that are nicely held in place over here with this little plastic. Okay, let's see what's in this box here. And when we open this box, inside we have a USB-C charging cable, and we have a nice little pouch that says Boya to store everything in, and we also have our paperwork, a warranty registration paper, as well as our user's manual. And this is everything that comes in the box of the Boya Boyalink. All right, so I've gone ahead and mounted the Boya Boyalink to my sweater here, and just wanted to show you the transmitter. The microphone transmitter has a clip that you use to attach. There is no magnet, and it's a pretty simple transmitter. On the bottom, there is a USB-C charging port. On the side, we have a power button, which also is our mute button, and noise cancellation, and then the volume rocker, so you can raise and lower the levels if you need to. On the top is our microphone, and I've also gone ahead and attached the wind muff to my microphone, and I'll show you with this one. It's just stick it up on top and twist. So I'm just going to align it, twist, and it is attached. Now, when you first take these out of the box, one thing to remember is on the bottom here by the contacts, there's a little piece of protective tape. Just remember to take that off, so when you put it into the charging case, it will charge up. Right now, I believe I have noise cancellation on. I'm in a busy, noisy park. There are plenty of planes going by. There's birds squawking in the background. And the indicator, I believe, turns yellow when you have noise cancellation on, and it's blue when it's off. So right now it is on, and I'm going to just press the button here. And now it is blue. Can you guys hear the difference between the noise cancellation on and the noise cancellation off? And which do you prefer? Noise cancellation on or noise cancellation off? Can you hear the birds in the background? I'm going to turn it back on. Now it is yellow, so I believe it's back on. Okay, what do you guys think of the audio quality of the Boya Boyalink? Leave me some comments below and let me know your thoughts. There's a plane directly over my head, so I'm going to do a noise reduction test right now. This is noise reduction on, and this is noise reduction off. Can you guys hear a difference when the plane is directly over my head? Noise reduction off, noise reduction on. What do you guys think? All right, so now it's time for the dreaded turnaround test. Now, if you're not familiar with my turnaround test, it's something really simple. I do this to all the wireless microphones I test out, and that is simply see what happens when the wireless mic and the receiver lose the line of sight connection. Will it cut out the audio? Now, not many microphones actually pass this test, and that's okay because it's really more of a stress test and not really what the microphones are designed for. So I'm going to walk towards the water over here, and then I'm going to turn around when I'm halfway there and see if we lose connection. And then I'm going to turn around when I get all the way to the water and see if I have any connection at all. So now I'm about halfway to the water. I'm going to turn around and we're going to see, do I lose the audio connection? Does the Boyalink work well enough to keep the connection when I turned around? I'm going to turn around now again and continue to the water, and let's see if it did cut out, when it cuts out, and also when I'm here close to the water. Can you guys still hear me? Can you guys even still see me? I'm going to turn around and wireless microphone system. I'm going to come back towards the camera now and see what happened. Leave some comments below and let me know, are you somebody who shoots with your camera or are you somebody who shoots with your phone? I'm going to test the phone connection next. After checking out the footage of my turnaround test, walking down to the water, turning around so the microphone loses contact with the receiver and seeing what happens, I heard that the audio did cut out. But remember that this is a stress test of the microphone system, and it's not really what it's designed for. You know, most people aren't walking 100 yards away from their camera or their phone. What I'd like to show you now is the receiver and how these accessories work with the receiver so you can use it with your phone or your camera. And so on the back of the receiver, there are these metal contacts and this little blue button. And simply put, all you have to do is take one of the accessories. So for example, this is what I use for the camera. I just have to slide it in till it snaps, and that's it. If I want to switch it out, I just pull back this button here and pull this off, switch on the USB-C adapter, and now I can plug this into my phone. Also, I just noticed on here that on the bottom of the receiver there is a little switch for mono and stereo, so you can record in either mono or stereo mode. There is also a power button and what looks like a mute button if you wanted to mute it from the receiver side. And that's how you switch from using it with your camera to your phone. Let's test out the phone next. All right, so I've gone ahead and mounted the Boya Boyalink to my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this is what it sounds like when you use the USB-C adapter and the receiver and the microphone transmitter of the Boyalink. What do you guys think of the audio quality of the Boya Boyalink? Now, one thing to note, I really like this, is that this fits with a big bulky case around the camera. The USB-C port is long enough that I don't have to remove the case. There are some wireless microphones with the USB for the phone that don't fit properly and you have to remove your case, but that's not the case with the Boyalink, which is a good thing. Now, one thing I should mention is that there is an app for it. You can download the Boya app, and the Boya app allows you to visualize a couple of the settings and, you know, see some things there. It's a little bit limited on this unit, but it's there and there is an app for it. And you can see that there's weak noise reduction, there's strong noise reduction, or no noise reduction at all. Once again, this is the Boya Boyalink. What did you guys think of this wireless microphone system? Right now you're listening to me with the noise reduction off. This is with the noise reduction on and on strong, because there are two different levels. There's weak noise reduction, and then there's strong noise reduction. This is with the noise reduction off. What do you guys think of the audio? Leave me some comments below and let me know what you think of the Boya Boyalink. It didn't pass my turnaround test, but that's okay. Barely any microphone system does. I like that this is compatible with your phone, whether it be an older iPhone that has a lightning port or a newer iPhone that has a USB-C port or an Android phone that has a USB-C port. And it also comes with the adapter to use with your camera. This is a universal wireless microphone system that's very, very useful. So what's not to like? I think it sounds great. And this is an inexpensive way for you to get into a wireless microphone that works with everything. If you enjoyed this video about the Boya Boyalink, then please give me a thumbs up and think about subscribing so you can see more of my videos in the future. I still have lots of microphones to get through, as well as many other things for content creation. So if you're not subscribed, you may miss one of those videos. So do yourself a favor and subscribe. I hope everybody's doing well out there, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks, bye.